Hey everybody, it's your personal chef, Chef Troy B, with another easy lunchtime fix for those who are doing virtual learning. I hope you're all having a great holiday weekend. I was good enough to take a Friday off, so I'm feeling quite good today. But we're going to make a really simple vegetable fried rice. Super quick, super easy, and we're just going to have a good time with it. My vision is to strengthen, renew, and restore interpersonal relationships through the sharing of meals and the joy of cooking. So I got some rice, which I made earlier. This recipe is really good when you make, if you're using like day-old rice or anything like that. I have some shredded carrots, which I bought. I also have the Trader Joe's soy katash. So instead of lima beans, those was edamame or soybeans with corn, a little bit of red peppers. Super convenient. So you can just grab a bag of vegetables. This is also a good way to get rid of any little dribs and drabs of vegetables that you may have in your refrigerator. You can add any vegetables in here. So I got some scallions. We're going to use the white inside the stir fry. And then we're going to use the green for the garnish. And then I took the time to dice up some firm tofu and roast it with a little bit of soy sauce and some seasoning, some salt, pepper, and some garlic. And I roasted that in the oven. So that's going to be our meat. And then we're going to use some rice rind vinegar, some low sodium soy sauce. Then I have some umami pepper seasoning, mushroom seasoning. I got we'll do some black pepper, and I got another item for some garnish. It has some seaweed and some sesame seeds. You see I'm not using a wok, but I got my fire super high. So this is stir frying, so it's just quick. So with any kind of stir frying, you gotta make sure you have all your ingredients together, because it goes so fast that if you're looking for stuff, you're gonna burn everything up. So you see I'm rocking right now. So the oil's getting nice and hot. I'm gonna give it a quick test. Yes, it's ready to go. So it gets like 3/4 of the way done, and then you add in your vegetables and your rice. I'm gonna flatten that out a little bit, let that cook some more. Out of here, grab your plate. Like I said, if you would do some chicken or add it at the end, if you got two different types of diets going on in your household, if someone's not a plant-based eater, then you just make some chicken separate. They can throw it on the top. And there you have it. Vegetable fried rice, a quick lunch, and some good eating. So I hope you enjoyed this session. Hope you have a great weekend. My name is Chef Troy B, and you know my reward is an empty plate. Be blessed.